Identity is a funny little thing, especially for a broken, confused undergrad. You are rushed into adulthood. You are forced to not be that little kid anymore. Everything has to be big. Your dreams have to be bigger. My college debts will be huge. Even the meals you eat are upsized. And to cope with all that, you have to put up an act. When I'm with these guys, I'm supposed to be this macho, misogynistic, hardcore alpha male. Man's man. After innumerable hangovers and failed modules, you almost end up believing in God.
Dude! Julian is the best!
Dude, smooth jazz is just.
Hola!
Machan, we need to save the earth.
Mashan, you like this page? Yuan will donate to Somalia.
Oh,
Can you multitask?
How do you work under pressure?
Do you have leadership aspirations?
How is your time management?
Are you willing to bend over backwards, work like a slave, get minimum wage?
Do my dry cleaning on Thursday and pick up my kids every day after school.
I am whoever my future boss wants me to be. I am whoever my friends want me to be. I am whoever the society wants me to be. You tell these lies so strongly, so often, that sometimes you start believing in them yourself. Lines start blurring. Maybe I am some of those. The rest just an act so that I don't feel too small in front of the world. But I'm always sure of who I am at 2 p.m. every Saturday afternoon. At 2 p.m., I go back to being that small little kid who held a woman's sari and walked from room to room. At 2 p.m., life becomes simple once again. At 2 p.m., the masks fall off. All I have to be is her son. ஹலோ அம்மா ரூமில் தாம்மா இருக்கேன். சாப்பிட்டாச்சு. பண்ணிட்டேம்மா, நேற்றே பண்ணிட்டேன். மொக்க போடாதம்மா. சரி சரி, நீ சொல்லு, நீ என்ன பண்ணிகிட்ருக்க? ஓ அப்படியா, சரி, ஓகே ஓகே, சூப்பர். வேற? ஓ ஓ யார் கல்யாணத்தில்? ஓ அந்த பக்கத்தாத்து மாமாவா? ஓ ஓகே ஓகே, சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். அவர் எப்பவுமே இப்படி தானே, டேக்குன்னு சொன்னால் கட்டு சொல்ல மாட்டார். போய்கிட்டே இருக்கு.